Axle co-mechanical, all built by Jads Automotive. So we've got the electric funeral camshaft, we've got the VCM intake, pacemaker headers, built LS1 with Habib heads as well, so they flow very well. So I'm interested to see how they go, the 241s. Let's get it on the dyno, let's see some numbers. Basic setup tune. This thing's gonna get wild. Stick around, we're climbing, we're climbing. All right, 304 kilowatts at the wheels. We still had 308 diff gears, but it's a big converter going through. So what a beast for an LS1. It's such a great cam, took us years in development. The client's gonna be so happy. All right, so just gonna spend the time and just explain a few things, what happened today on the dyno. The electric funeral camshaft can be notorious to have a high and low scenario on your power graph on the road. The way to combat that is ported cylinder heads. Increasing the compression ratio with cylinder heads and some higher velocity with airspeed has got this dyno graph a lot more linear. So the car's going to feel a lot more, not only responsive on the road, but it gives it more of a flatter torque curve and a lot easier to drive and more responsive in that sense. It's not going to have those big highs and lows on what the electric funeral cam can give you. So it is a great cam. They sort of all meet up the top on the power graph. If you don't do this, you don't have to, but it certainly helps bumping up your compression and getting that airspeed up.